Welcome guys. Food brings the world together and some dishes have captured millions of hearts. Okay, number 1. Pizza. Pizza, the pride of Italy, is now a global option. Number 2. Sushi. Sushi is an elegant Japanese dish made with rice and raw fish. Number 3. Burger. The classic burger is fast, tasty and loved in every corner of the world. Number 4. Biryani. Biryani is a rich, spicy rice dish, a festival of a plate. Number 5. Pasta. Pasta comes in hundreds of shapes, always delicious and comforting. Which of these foods is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Thank you.